We take this time to honor today's four-state hero, Private First Class Philip Peterson, member of the United States Marines. He served in 2006. His hometown, Joplin, Missouri. We are proud to salute Philip Peterson, our four-state hero.
The birthday guest list begins with Odin Maddox. Looks like Odin was getting some beach time in right there. Well played, kiddo, and way to protect your head as well with that sharp-looking hat. Odin is one in Erie.
All right, we got Willow. I love that name. Willow Ascanio, turning 4 years old this year. What a sweetheart there in that picture. From Pittsburgh, with love from Grandma and Grandpa.
We got a couple that are close to my heart right here. Jade Addis. Jade, I cannot believe that you are 10 years old, kiddo. I know exactly where that picture is right there. A very happy birthday to you, Miss Jade. And if we're celebrating Jade's birthday, that means we're celebrating Granny's birthday as well. You know her as Goldie Addis Keister. I simply call her Granny. Granny, you know I love you. We all love you. A happy 88th, my man.
All right, and Samantha Dietz, turning 14 years old this year. Miss Samantha sure is growing up in Weir, Kansas.
Let's go to the NAC because Zach Evans, party on as he hits the big 21. Zach, a very happy birthday to you. And that means Mike, who is Zach's uncle, is celebrating his 48th birthday. Mike, a very happy birthday to you as well.
All right. Hey, another one of the Dietzes. This is Amber Dietz, turning 27 years old this year. Looks like she's pumping the iron in Weir with special love from Dad.
Happy birthday, Amber. You tell your dad I said what's up. I haven't seen him in a while. Randy Helms celebrating the big 6-0. Oh, talk about your hands being full right there. Randy, a very happy birthday in Pittsburgh. And Randy was celebrating his birthday a little bit ago, but we're just going to keep it on for the month.
I like that idea. And we've got a 67th birthday in Columbus to celebrate. It's John Castle's birthday. Hope you have a great one.
Tiffany Hutto. Miss Tiffany celebrating her birthday. Tiffany, a very happy birthday to you in Columbus.
All right, in Riverton, Sally Umpenauer. Happy birthday to you.
Barbara Jones. She is celebrating her birthday. What a gorgeous picture right there, Barbara. That is tremendous. I would love to know exactly where that was taken because it's just a gorgeous picture of not only the background, but also you and your husband right there. Miss Barbara is in Columbus.
That is a nice picture there. And let's see, after Barbara, we have Kenny Krumsick, turning another year wiser in Frontenac. I'd like to congratulate Kenny. He is a pancreatic cancer survivor.
Happy birthday, Kenny. Diane DePlew, she is celebrating. The NAC is the place to be on this birthday.
Quite a few of them, yeah.
Yeah, happy birthday, Diane.
All right, and David and Samantha Hall are celebrating their 12th anniversary this year. A little throwback wedding pic there with the candles. David and Samantha are in Pittsburgh.
In Jasper, that's where we find Chad and Candace Harris. Chad and Candace, congratulations on your 18th anniversary.
And let's see, we've got, well, makes sense. We were celebrating Randy Helms' birthday. We've got Randy and Rebecca Helms celebrating their 24th anniversary in Pittsburgh.
And a 41st for Brad and Rhonda Overstreet. A very big congratulations. Good, great picture as well. Congratulations to Brad and Rhonda. They are in Lamar.
Say, who's that in the middle there? All right, our list goes on. We've got Oasis Wade, turning 11 years old in Columbus.
That's a tremendous name right there.
I know. I like it. I think you say that every year, Michael.
Past
11 years.
My favorite band.
Yeah.
I love that.
Danny Crane turning 48 in Joplin. Susan Graham celebrating birthday number 73 in Erie.
A big happy birthday wish to Miss Florence Sparks. She is celebrating her 92nd. Miss Florence, she is in Lockwood. Jeffrey Jenkins, J Squared, a happy birthday in Girard. And Tad Gallagher. Tad, a very happy birthday to you, my friend.
Kathy Layson in Columbus, happy birthday to you. Sandra Posh in Miami, birthday wishes going out to you. A few more in Miami too. We've got Amanda Peterson and Patty Rogers as well.
War Dog, War Dog. Happy birthday, happy anniversary to all on this June the 21st. That's where you can send them into. And here's Tanya with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club. All you have to do is go to our website and sign up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMnewsnow.com. Sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.
Time to check in with our Monday morning thunderstorms dominating our little section of the Midwest right here in a good line that stretches all along I-44. And I wanted to point this out here because now we're starting to see these connect right here just along the interstate where we're seeing the heaviest of the rain. And also too, you'll notice that's the majority of the lightning right in those pockets of the heavy rain. We break up just a little bit as we work into the just on the other side of the state line through southeast Kansas, but then we're going to be right back at it because everything's coming out of the west. This line right here, we've got one from Veneta to Miami that's really coming down. Joplin easing up just a little bit, but more on the way out of Ottawa County. Pick back up in Mount Vernon, run that thing into Springfield. Now, we did have one early morning storm report. That was up in Polk County, so just out of our highlighted area, but they did get winds strong enough that they had some trees down in Humansville, Missouri. Our greatest threat right now is really the amount of rain that we've picked up because low-lying areas, they're already going to begin to feel the brunt of it. We don't have any advisories. We don't have any watches. Trying to pick up our observed precipitation right here. Of course, that's going to Mother Nature's like, there we go. Now we're populating. But look here, look at right here in between Joplin and Carthage. That's already registering at 2.5 inches. And like I said, no warnings or watches associated with flooding, but we know areas are going to be problematic. We'll be back, wrap up this edition of the KOAM Morning News right after this.